Picture a guy speeding down a winding mountain road, a wide smile on his face, and both hands steady on the wheel. The only problem, he's wearing a thick orange blindfold, completely oblivious to the cliff edge approaching fast. This points to a strange quirk in human behavior. Why do people who struggle with a task often act as though they are absolute geniuses? Psychologists call this the Dunning-Kruger effect. It is a mental blind spot that every one of us falls into from time to time. Overconfidence starts to get dangerous when someone doesn't realize how little they actually know about the task at hand. To understand how this works, we have to look back at a 1999 study conducted at Cornell University by researchers David Dunning and Justin Kruger. They discovered that being unskilled at a task creates two problems at once. Not only are you making mistakes, but you also lack the mental awareness to see those mistakes. Think of your mind's ability to watch its own thinking like a mirror. If you are just starting out, looking into that mirror doesn't show you the truth. Your cracked mirror reflects back a massive, muscular version of yourself. This happens because the skills you need to do something right are the exact same skills you need to tell if you're doing it wrong. Without those skills, you're trying to measure your performance with a broken ruler. If you don't know the rules of a skill, your brain's internal mirror is warped. You are left entirely blind to your own incompetence. Before we look at the twist to this story, take a second to hit subscribe to Ink and Think for more visual deep dives, and let us know in the comments, what is one skill you once thought was easy, right up until the moment you actually tried it? This illusion feels convincing when we're in the middle of it, but some scientists argue that the data might just be showing us a quirk in how we do math. The challenge to the original study comes from a pattern in numbers where extreme results naturally drift back toward the average. Look at this chart. In any group of scores, the results at the very top and bottom act like they're attached to a stretched rubber band. If someone gets a very low score, it naturally drifts up toward the average. This creates a gap between their real score and what we expect them to score. It looks like overconfidence, but it's really just how numbers work. This statistical quirk tells us that the original charts might be exaggerated, but it doesn't mean the human behavior isn't real. Whether the effect is driven by a glitch in the brain or a glitch in the math, the real-world impact of overconfidence can lead to significant failures. Leaving the academic debate behind, we can see why this blind spot is dangerous when it plays out in the physical world. Think of a worker ignoring safety protocols in a heavy industrial setting. They skip critical steps, assuming they already know the best way to do the job. Or consider a healthcare provider confidently misreading an X-ray, missing a clear sign of trouble because they lack the specific experience to see the anomaly. You may have even seen this in the corporate world, watching a manager make decisions that cost a company thousands, simply because they can't see the limits of their own leadership. When these individual blind spots scale up, the stakes become societal. It's how people can confidently share false information online, or follow a leader who is navigating with a fake map. Unchecked ignorance, when disguised as confidence, can steer entire communities right over the edge. Which brings us back to our driver. The truth is that everyone wears a blindfold in areas where they are just beginning. The only known way to fix this illusion is a heavy dose of humility and the courage to admit what you don't know. Take off the blindfold, stay humble,